Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to apply an unapplied receipt. What is unapplied receipt and why we have to apply? Say we sold 100 shirts to a customer and the customer has repaid the amount to us. So in that case, we have to create a receipt and apply to open transaction. Now we will create one open transaction and against that we will create a receipt. Click on receivables, click on billing, click on task list, click on create transaction. Select the transaction class as invoice. Now search for your business unit and the transaction source is manual and invoice. Now under bill to name, search for your customer, ERPZEN customer. Now description, say such sold 100 quantity. The quantity is 100 and the unit price is $200. Now the total amount is $20,000. Now click on complete and review. So our transaction is created 160768. Copy the transaction number 160768. Say save and close. Against this, we have to create. Now if you search the transaction number, you will be able to see this transaction. Yeah, this is our transaction and total amount is $20,000. Click on done. Now we will create a receipt. Now say our customer has paid to us. Now we have to create the receipt. Click on receivables. Click on receivables. Click on account receivable. Click on task list. Now click on create receipt. Now what is the receipt type, standard or miscellaneous? Standard only. Now search for your business unit. Now at what method you have received. And now let's say the receipt number is 3011 and what is the amount? $20,000. Say what is this deposit date? Say for example, we received the check on 15th June 2026, but we have deposited it on 24th June 2026. It can happen. The dates can differ. But let's take an example. Today we have received and today only we have deposited. And let's specify the customer name, say ERPZEN. Select your customer and click on OK. Now click on submit and apply manually. Select the supplier site. Now submit and apply manually. Click on add open receivables. Now search with your transaction number. One 160768. Click on search. So this is the transaction, $20,000. Select the record and click on add. In the background you can see the receipt has been applied to this particular transaction. Click on done. Yes, it was applied. You can see the application reference is 160768, that is the invoice. Now if you click on save, the receipt has been successfully applied. Click on actions. Click on post to ledger. Yes, the account has been completed. Click on view accounting. Yes, this is the entry. Confirmed cash to receivable account. Now click on done. Click on save and close. Now if you go and search, click on billing. Click on task list. Click on manage transactions. Now search with today's date. Yeah, this is ours. Now open this transaction 160768. Now if you click on actions, view transaction activities, here you can see what are all the activities that has been performed on this transaction. Here you can see this is our receipt number and activity class is payment, how much amount you have received, what is the date, what is the accounting date, what is the status, and what is the business unit. You can see all other relevant information, allocated receipt amount, applied amount, activity amount, accounting date and all. Click on done. Now click on actions, click on view balance details. Now here see, you can see the original amount is 20,000 and the receipts are minus 20,000. Since we have received the amount, it is showing in minus. So 20,000 we have received. So there is no balance that is outstanding. Now click on done. Click on save and close. Click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.